Let me tell you a story. A year ago, I was thinking that 7.5 hours of sleep is enough, and I was wrong. I was becoming so extreme in that it turned out that my health was becoming worse and worse every single day. I was sleeping on the lessons in the school, and it got to the point where one of my best friends noticed that something is wrong. He asked me, David, are you even getting any sleep? And I was like, yeah, of course, I'm laying in bed 7.5 hours, And he said, but did you know that if you lay 7.5 hours, it's not the same as getting this 7.5 hours of sleep? And I was like, oh, that's very, very logical. So when I came back from school that day, I ordered one of these watches that tracks my sleep. And the next day, I check it and it showed that I was getting 5 hours of actual sleep, but I was laying in a bed 7.5 hours. I know a lot of you motherfuckers prioritize business over the health, but is it actually the right decision to make? Because if you prioritize business over your health, you probably sleep as least amount of hours as possible to get as much work done as possible. But it's a wrong mindset, because if you will get more hours of sleep, of the deep sleep, of actual sleep, your work performance the next day will be 3 times better, and this 2 hours of work will not matter, because in the 1 hour after you have slept more, you will get more done than in these 2 hours when you slept less. Do you understand what I am talking about? So sleeping less will actually decrease your performance, and it doesn't matter how many more hours of work you will did, because you will feel worse, your performance will be lower. So overall, you will do less because of your performance in a 2 hours than if you get good sleep in a half an hour. So your performance will quadruple just by getting good sleep in the night. So, if getting less sleep will decrease your performance, getting less sleep will actually make you less money. Your ability to make money will decrease, because you will perform better if you will get more hours of sleep. So you will close more clients and you will make more money. For example, we can say you sleep for 6 hours. Getting 2 extra hours of sleep will actually make you more money. Maybe not if you are already getting this 9 hours of sleep. We are humans. We need sleep. We can't work and perform at 100% every single day if we don't sleep or we sleep for 4 hours. If you do not want to only run business and be like Mark Zuckerberg, so this geek, or do not want to only be like this self-improvement autist that only do self-improvement habits and don't do anything important with his life really, don't make any money, don't want to change the world, he just meditate once for a while and watch self-improvement content all day long. Don't get extreme the other way. You must find the golden balance. So you do not only want to work on your business, you also want to prioritize some of the self-improvement habits, like meditating. Meditating first thing in the morning will bring your focus to the another level for the whole day. It will actually improve your work and it will improve your performance in work. So this 10 minutes you will waste meditating will actually bring you more results than just working in this time, because it will make your whole work better by, for example, 2%. But that's a lot after a year, after 2 years, even after a month. So find the golden balance. Right now, grab a piece of paper and write it down. Things you can do that will make your work better, your focus better tomorrow. So write this all down and make them all action steps that you can really do day after day after day, maybe different action step every day. If you are a business owner or entrepreneur that is trying to get his health, his clarity, his mental clarity, his focus to another level, click the first link in the description below for the 30 minutes free call with me. I promise you it will be worth it. So, if you enjoyed that video, click the subscribe button right now, click the like, so more people can see this video and I can help more people simply. I hope you have a great day, great self-improvement journey, have a great Pumptober, have a great life. See you in the next video.